Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And got a guest here. Hi. Double Bubble Cosplay, my daughter. I love her.
I love you.
And we are gonna make collard greens. Collard greens. So we'll show you how to prepare these and how to clean them and then how we're gonna prepare them. Get some water.
This is smoked turkey tails.
Smoked turkey tails. So this is how we're going to flavor the water. Smoked turkey tails. All right.
Smoked turkey necks.
Right. Smoked turkey necks. And go all the way to high, and as soon as it starts to heat up and boil, we will turn it down. These have to be cleaned, okay? That's right. This stem is no good, right? So this is what we want to do.
Take the leaf off the.
Right. You can leave this. You can leave this part of the stem on, and then we want to put them in here. So this is what we're going to do with each one of them. Okay. So we have the collard greens here. We have these stems stripped down. We're going to rinse this in some water, and then we're going to put a little bit of white vinegar in here and let it sit for a couple minutes. Add enough water to go so it goes over the tops of them. Go ahead. I know it's splashing. Okay, that's good. It's going to help clean. So we're going to let that sit for a couple minutes, and then we'll rinse it off. So now you're holding it like this because
I don't want it.
That's what you see me do when I chop.
Yeah.
So in this case, what you could do is you could take it and go like that, and then put your hand like this. Make sure your fingers are out of the way, and then push down.
Okay.
Okay. Make sure it's in the center. There you go. You want to keep this end on.
Okay.
And cut this end off. Now, cut this end off.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now peel the skin. We're gonna cut about that thin. Okay. Don't try to go fast. All right. You see how I have my hands?
Like there.
You have nails. Even if you have to dig your nails into it to keep it out of the way.
Take off the clove, right?
Right. Take off all. Okay, wait, let me see. What have we got? A little more. That's good. Right? Yeah.
So.
You could take them one at a time.
And just like squash it down like
Yep,
that.
just like that, and keep your fingers up. Put your weight behind it. There you go.
My hands are gonna smell like garlic.
Well, I'll give you a little tip. If your hands smell like garlic, you rub them on stainless steel. I have a stainless steel bowl there. The stainless steel absorbs the odor.
Are you
No,
joking with me?
no,
Okay.
that's true. So what you could do is it's the same thing. Okay, keep your fingers, all your fingers tucked in. And you see how I have the blade resting against my knuckle? That's what you want to do. All right.
Okay.
Don't try to go fast.
Okay.
And just do that. Okay. Don't bring your knife when you're rocking it like that. Don't bring it higher than your knuckles, and you won't cut yourself. Tuck your thumb in. You're always gonna.
Like that.
You see how your fingertips? I know it's tempted, and until you're really comfortable with your knife, you really need to learn to tuck them fingers. Okay. Right here.
Yeah, you do
Yeah.
it.
Okay. So wash your hands, and then you see that stainless steel bowl?
Mm-hmm.
Rub them on there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god. It decreases it, but it's not totally gone.
Well, it's because you haven't done it long enough. Now we're going to cut these up. There you go.
Oh. Was that the wind?
Apparently so.
Paranormal thing is caught on camera. Except it wasn't facing the door.
Neck bones and tails have been going for about an hour. So I'm going to take them off. We're going to let them cool, and we're going to strip these of their meat. I'm adding 2 packages of concentrated ham flavor from Goya. We're going to add our greens. And our garlic and onions. I'm not going to add any salt to this until towards the end, because the smoky flavor should give plenty of salt, but you know, it's like anything, you never know. Okay, I've got the meat here from those bones that were in here and the tails. If you're going to pick the meat off the tails, be sure to get all the stems from the feathers, because there's quite a few there, but I'm confident I got all of them. And that's going to go in here, and we're just going to let this simmer away. I'm going to turn this down to low, cover it, and then let that go for at least another 45 minutes. Taste it for seasoning, and doesn't need salt. They're starting to get tender. I'm going to put a little bit of heat in there. I'm going to add some pepper flakes. I'm just going to eyeball this, do a couple shakes. That should be good. Just enough, just a little bite. So these are almost done. I'm going to let this reduce down a little bit. Then I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar. So these are done. These have been simmering for well over an hour. I'm just going to give them another quick taste. I get no salt. The smoked turkey did a good number on it. It was very tasty. But we want to add a splash of apple cider vinegar. Not a lot, just a little. I'm going to go a little at a time until I get it right. That was probably about a tablespoon. Another little splash. That was probably about 2 tablespoons. And I know that that's going to be enough. Wash my fork. Oh yeah. Oh my God, I think these are the best I've ever made so far. Okay, so there you have it. Collard greens. They came out really good. I hope you try this recipe. And like, subscribe. It's all appreciated. Well, that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.